We definitely have an amazing social worker. And so she's helped me kind of get more in touch with other people, also with IBD. She also helps me like one-on-one to kind of dealing with the stress of having this condition. And so it's definitely really helpful to have those other resources.
And as a parent, I know that I have great support. The social work team has been great in working with both of us. There have been times in this cyclical disease where it's been overwhelming, and you're switching treatments or adding a provider and just making sure that you're utilizing everything the Boston Children's IBD Center is offering.